here again, but this is my mom's handphone, and then I'm gonna show you an adventure. Wait a minute, will I go out? Wait a second. We almost done. We just get the Indonesian money. So I just have 6,000. No, let's go. See, it's really hot outside, so I have to be careful. Oh my good carrot. Look at my shoes. You can light when I see. See, it lights. Okay, now let's go to our adventure. See, it's really hot here. See the sun rising. Yeah, aku di bawah tangga. I'm in Indonesia word for my Indonesian brother. So let's come on. It's very hot. Look. Alright. Run